Second car today I want to show you is the Mini. Okay, so this is a diesel. It's only done 33,000 miles, and as you know, with diesel, 33,000 miles is absolutely nothing. There's a whole lot of car here for £10,000. Just going to take you around it, have a little look at the condition. As you can see, the wheels absolutely immaculate, no scuffs, no curb rubs, nothing at all. And there's no dents or scratches in this bodywork. It's absolutely pristine for a used car. It's going to take you around to the boot so you can see the space the Mini offers. And actually, for a Mini, if you lift up the top base, this does come flat, so you've got a flat entry, but also, as you see, extra storage under there. So for a Mini, quite a lot of room in the boot. So let's take you around to the side of the car and we'll open up the back so you can see what sort of comfort your passengers are getting. As you can see, once again, for a Mini, quite a lot of room in there. You have got the ISOFIX in there, so if you need to put your car seats or booster seats, again, you've got the 60-40 split in this one, so if you need that extra space, it is there. You've also got your electric windows in the back that your passengers can operate themselves. Let's just take you into the front. This car actually does a few cool little things with the lights, and I'm going to show you just inside. So, as you can see, there is a lot to offer in this car. Just really cool thing that I think about this car, one of the options is this car does come with satellite navigation, but as you can see here, whenever we operate this or select anything, it obviously lights up the interior, which I think is a very nice touch by Mini. This is a keyless entry car and a push button start. Now, it's got air conditioning, as I say, Bluetooth. You've got all the controls on the steering wheel, so you never need to take your hand off. You've got that safe, easy driving. Miles per gallon on this car is 73.5, and you're going to spend absolutely zero on a tax. Must be driven. Please give me a call. I'm Kevin at Pershore Car Sales.